You want to add background music to your video, but you don't want the music to overpower your dialogue. Let me show you how to achieve that in Adobe Premiere Pro, such that the volume of the background music goes down while you are speaking and comes up when you are done speaking. Without much ado, let's jump directly into Premiere Pro. Welcome to my channel. My name is Vincent Ani. In my timeline, I have my voiceover on track 1 and my background music on track 2. In docking, one track is docked against another. In this case, we are going to dock the music track against the voiceover track, that is, the dialogue track. Docking takes place right here on this volume bar. Lift the bar manually to increase the volume and lower it to reduce the volume. But in docking, we create keyframes on the volume bar and use the keyframes to control the volume. Before docking, let's take a listen to a portion of the audio. Press the space bar. Before we proceed, there are basic things you need to know about the time. Now let's dock the background music. Hold the command key in Mac or control key in PC, then hover your mouse around the volume bar until you see this plus sign. Click around here just before the voiceover begins to create a keyframe. Move a little to the left to create another keyframe. Create a keyframe just at the end of the voiceover. Then move a little to the left and click. Release the command or control key. Next, click and drag this volume bar as low as you want the background music to be when your dialogue is playing. Now press the space bar to play back. Before we proceed, there are basic things you need to know about the timeline. If you don't get it right the first time, you can still adjust it again and again and again. Playback. Before we proceed, there are basic things you need to know about the timeline. Perfect. Now you're wondering, how am I going to pull this off when docking a long video? Let me show you how to automate this process in just a few clicks. Click on Audio. Click Music. Check the box for docking. Select what you want to dock the music against: dialogue, music, sound effects, or ambience clips. In this case, dialogue. You can come back later to use these features to fine-tune your docking. But for now, click on Generate Keyframe. Wait for it. This can take a while. Wonderful. Premiere Pro has generated keyframes automatically over the entire sequence. Press the space bar to play back. The basic things you need to know about the timeline. We begin to feel the fire. We'll have video track. We rise like tall buildings. We want to. That's fine. But if you want it to fade in a certain way, or you have preference when it comes to sensitivity and other settings, just go back to Music, Docking, and play with these settings. But remember to click on Generate Keyframes each time you change the settings. Otherwise, your new settings will not apply. Before we proceed, there are basic things you need to know about the timeline. And that's how to dock your background music against your dialogue. Thank you for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.